So here's how you can make a private photo album on the Android. And let me explain how it would work. If it's your first time in here on this channel, definitely stay tuned and subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, so it kind of depends on your specific Android phone, because some of them, especially the Samsung devices, have what's called the secure folder. Right, so inside of the Samsung UI interface, we have a section where you can essentially lock many different things, right? So it doesn't really depend if it's a photo, or it doesn't really matter what type of file it is. You can move it to this secure folder. So on a device which does support it, you can open up the gallery, make the image go full screen, tap the three dots and move it to secure folder. And this is essentially how you can make a private album and, have the photo stored in there. However, if your device does not support it, like I have another Android phone which simply doesn't have that, well, in that case, we need to take a different approach, and it would actually be the best way to set up or download an app which is going to behave like something completely different, but in fact, it will store our private photos. So there are apps like this one, which looks like a calculator app, but you essentially open it up and set up a passcode, which is going to log like a different vault of images, right? So you're going to see that you can set it up just this way and essentially set up a 4-digit passcode, then move the images behind the calculator, behind the fake one. And this is like a nice way to store your hidden images or lock them, make a private album in a completely different app which has been designed for that purpose. So yeah, that is a nice way to do it. I really hope that I was able to explain it well. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and videos like this, and I'll catch you later.